How to fix the FordPass application is not working on the device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing first, you have to check if the issue is from the server side or not. If it is, you'll have to wait for some time. However, if it is not, you can start up with a general troubleshoot. First of all, restart your device as well as the application once, and it should probably fix minor bugs and fixes. Likewise, make sure you have a stable internet connection connected to you. If not, you can switch between mobile data and check if the issue persists or not. Likewise, also you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the application installed on your device. To check for this, you'll have to open Play Store if you are using Android devices. Search for FordPass and then check if update button is available. If it is, tap on it and then try to access the app again. Likewise, long press the application and go to app info. First of all, go to permission list and make sure all the necessary permissions such as location and phone is given access to. Now, go back and check on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache and clear storage. Once this is done, you should now be able to access the application again. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.